Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we take trades in the direction of the trends. Okay, so now you can see here what is going on in the market. So the next level is here, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction, and you will see market will go up and will close as a bullish. Now I can go again with the buyers confidently here. Why? Because I need to show you here one thing, from this point to this point and from this point to this point. Now you can see the next level is here, so there is a gap. So because of this gap the market is going up and it will close as a bullish. Okay, you can see here market movement is like this, so it will go at least to this level. So there is a gap to the level, so therefore I won my trade here. You can see, so there is no need to take now any kind of trade here because market reach to that level, which is a reversal zone, so there is no need to take any kind of risk. Okay, now if the market starts to go up from this point, again you can take trade at least to that level, which I am drawing here. So this level is your secured level, so let's see what happens with the market. Okay, we will see, but I need to go and check other pairs. Okay, my levels are so strong. You can see market is getting the reversals from that area, from those areas. So again market is coming down. So here let me analyze the market. Okay, I can go with the buyers confidently because for me the next level is here, and this candle closed exactly to this level from where market reversed. So therefore I took my trade and the market is going up. Okay, so I took my trade here and I won also my trade, so no issues at all. Okay, so I cannot take trade here because market is not good here in this area, in this zone. Okay, so I won in USD CHF also my trade, so let's check it out here. Okay, the market will go up. Now it can get the rejection from this area. Okay, the market comes down, I can take trade. Okay, so I need to check the level here. Market is in a reversal zone, so I can go with the sellers from this point confidently. So now you can see here I took my trade in a down direction because you can see from this point market reversed so many times, so therefore I took my trade and I need to secure myself. Okay, so now you will see I will win this trade for sure. Okay, so now you can see market is going down and down. So let's see what happens here. From this point to this point, and from, okay, no issues. Market will close below our entry points, and I have confirmed the level, so therefore the next candle will close as a bearish. Okay, so I won my trade here also. Okay, so if I need to analyze the market here, I can go, no, I will not take any kind of risk. The candle goes up, I will take some kind of trade. Okay, now, okay, I'm late here, no issues. Now you can see market is getting the rejection. Okay, okay, so for the upcoming market, my next level will be this one. Okay, so the next reversal point will be this one. So okay, now you can see market is now ranging, and I told you that this candle will come down, and now it closed as a bearish. In my last trade I told you this one, so no issues. Okay, okay, I need to check the level if I'm having any kind of stuff in the past. Okay, no issues. So here if I check, okay, now I want to show you another way to take your trades like this. Now you can see still there is a gap, so the next candle will also go down for sure, and the next level is here. Okay, the next level is here, so I need to secure my trade, and I will secure. Okay, so the candle will come down and will close as a ITM. Okay, it will come down because I have drawn each and every level here, and I am very much confident that the next candle will close below my entry point, and my entry point, this entry point is very much secure. So you will see the candle will come down and will close below this entry point. You can see I won my trade here. So okay, in this area, in this zone, I can go with the sellers. Okay, so this is my last trade, and after this last trade I will end my session, and I took all trades in front of you all. So why I took this trade? Because market went up and this was my bonus area. So you can see how the market is coming down from this point, and I knew, I am worried about only this trade, but the market is coming down step by step from this area, this zone. So you can see how I am taking the trades, and I took all trades in front of you all. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel, and comment. So if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment. So stay blessed you all. And have a blessed weekend ahead. And now you can see I want to show you here my trading. So this is how I win my trade.